A tear is not an emotional decoration. It is a control breach. In limbic circuits, patterns of activity stop oscillating smoothly and begin to stack. Signals linger longer than they should. The brain doesn't interpret this as sadness. It interprets it as load. Firing rates increase, overwhelming local inhibition. This inefficiency propagates. The hypothalamus shifts autonomic balance, prioritizing parasympathetic pathways. Signals descend through facial nerve to lacrimal apparatus, triggering glandular cells. Ion gradients change, water follows, proteins ride along, resulting in tear secretion. Emotional tears carry biochemical fingerprint, including stress peptides and neuromodulators exported. As secretion increases, concentrations shift, neural firing loses edge, noise collapses into rhythm. Body feels relief the brain initiated, with heart rate variability expanding, breathing slowing. Emotional overflow is really a redistribution problem solved in real time. The tear confirms relief begun, transitioning from biological to social signal for other systems.
The tear falls, and with that simple gesture, invisible messages begin to propagate. At first, the local environment perceives change. Light refracts differently. Moisture alters skin conductivity, modulating sensory nerves. Nearby observers register this alteration. Mirror neurons fire, connecting instantly with limbic centers. Attention shifts, threat assessment slows, and empathy networks awaken. This is no metaphor. The body performs chemical and electrical calculations, translating into emotion. A tear becomes a physical signal bridging nervous systems. Within the crying individual, biological work continues. Fluid relieves ionic congestion, receptor sites reset, and limbic oscillations regain balance. Cortisol and ACTH are exported, heart rate settles, and breathing deepens. Neural timing synchronizes across cortical and subcortical layers. Yet, this elegance is fragile. If no social response follows, the stabilizing benefit diminishes. The tear is wasted in isolation. Evolution solved this by coupling secretion with perception. Tears exist at the intersection of biology and society. Shared tears reinforce trust and cooperation. Oxytocin release occurs, strengthening social bonds. Timing across individuals aligns. A previously private regulatory event becomes collective, visible in posture, gaze, and attention. Biology scales. The human tear completes its evolutionary mandate. Not merely a release, but a transmission. Not weakness, but a calculated mechanism of connection.